Hi everyone, welcome to another round of QBO Tips. Last week we went through organizing receipts in QBO. This week we're going to go through tracking mileage in QBO. You no longer need spreadsheets or a third-party app to do so. I know there's a lot less travel going on these days. Zoom and Microsoft Teams and Google Meet are dominating how we interact. But tracking miles and driving for business still needs to be tracked in order to be deducted. So let's look at how to do this in QBO. Okay, in QBO now you will see that there is a mileage option in the left navigation bar over here. If you click that, you come to a pretty simple dashboard for mileage. If you need to add or edit a vehicle, if you hover on add trip here, you can view vehicles. I'm a little bit over the edit vehicle option here, but you can edit the vehicle that's in the list, or down here you can add a vehicle as needed. We can easily add trips by clicking add trip. Ooh, and I guess I'm over this now, so let me move myself over. It's pretty self-explanatory. You pick a date. You can either add a distance if you know exactly how many miles it is, or you can choose a starting and ending point. QBO does use Google Maps for this, so you can search for an address, or you can search for a business. And see, it pops up with Google Maps there. You can also mark it as a business or a personal trip. And you can give it a description. Basically, why did you go there? And you can choose your vehicle as well if you've got multiple vehicles in. Now, if I go to the All tab down here, we can see all of the trips. So we see this client lunch that I just added. And notice it does the mileage calculation for me down there. You can edit these if you need. It's kind of limited on the editing, but you can click on one, the little checkbox there, and you can mark it as business, personal, or delete. Those are your only options. Ones that you've manually added, like I just did, you can only change it from personal to business. So this one here I can mark it as business, and you can see the little icon changes there. So you can only go from personal to business if it's one that you manually added. So this unreviewed tab here is where all the ones coming in from the mobile app would come from, and those you'd be able to go back and forth. So the mobile app is probably the preferred way for you to track your mileage. You can set it up so that you will automatically have any car ride logged as a trip. And then you just have to go through this list here, and you can click the little check boxes and batch change them from personal to business, get them classified where they need to go. Really quick and simple here. You can also do it in the app by swiping left or right, depending on if it's business or personal. Additionally, you can set up rules in the app. So you can put your parents' house as a rule that says if I go to this address, it's always a personal trip. And then it comes in here and it's already classified for you. Easy peasy, it's done. Now at the end of the year, there's this little export button over here. So you can go to your all or your reviewed tab over here, and you can simply download an exported Excel file essentially to give to your tax preparer. Simple and easy, guys. I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.